Have you ever bent down to pick something up and felt a sudden, sharp pain in your back? Or maybe you've experienced that nagging ache that just won't quit after a long day. You're not alone. Millions of people suffer from back pain, and it's one of the most common reasons people miss work or seek medical help. Back pain can really impact your life, making even simple tasks seem impossible. But the good news is, you don't have to suffer in silence. There are things you can do to find relief and get back to living your life to the fullest. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of back pain, exploring its common causes, effective treatments, and some surprising solutions you might not have heard of before. We'll separate fact from fiction and give you the tools you need to take control of your back health. Let's get started. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. When you subscribe, I will personally reply to your comment. So what causes that pesky back pain anyway? Well, it's often a combination of factors. One of the most common culprits is poor posture. Think about how much time you spend hunched over your computer or phone. All that slouching puts a lot of stress on your back muscles and spine. Then there's muscle strain, which can happen from lifting something heavy incorrectly or even just sleeping in an awkward position. And let's not forget about our sedentary lifestyles. Sitting for hours on end weakens our core muscles, which are essential for supporting our back. It's not just about masking the pain with medication, it's about addressing the root cause and making sustainable lifestyle changes. In the next chapter, we'll explore some proven strategies for alleviating back pain and getting you back on track. So stick around, your journey to a pain-free life starts now. When it comes to tackling back pain, physical therapy is like having a secret weapon in your corner. It's not just about stretching or doing a few exercises, it's a personalized approach to healing and strengthening your back, guided by trained professionals who know exactly how to target those trouble spots. One of the great things about physical therapy is that it focuses on getting to the root of the problem. It's not just about masking the pain, it's about identifying the underlying issues like muscle imbalances, weak core muscles, or poor movement patterns, and correcting them to prevent future pain. Physical therapy can significantly reduce your pain levels and help prevent future injuries by improving your posture and strengthening the muscles that support your spine. By sticking with your physical therapy plan, you'll be giving yourself the best chance at a pain-free and active life. Now, let's move on to another powerful tool in your pain relief arsenal. Stay tuned. Let's face it, when you're dealing with back pain, the last thing you probably feel like doing is hitting the gym. The discomfort can be so overwhelming that even the thought of moving seems impossible. But what if I told you that exercise might be the very thing you need to alleviate that pain? But here's the thing. Regular exercise is one of the most powerful tools you have for managing back pain and preventing it from coming back. It might sound counterintuitive, but staying active can actually help you feel better in the long run. The key is choosing the right exercises and doing them with proper form. This ensures that you are not putting additional strain on your back and that you are targeting the right muscle groups. When you exercise regularly, you strengthen the muscles that support your spine, improve your flexibility, and increase blood flow to the area, all of which can help reduce pain and stiffness. This holistic approach not only addresses the symptoms but also tackles the root cause of the pain. So, what kind of exercises are best for back pain? It's important to start with low-impact activities that won't exacerbate your condition. Some great low-impact exercises that are easy on the back include walking, swimming, and water aerobics. These activities help you stay active without putting too much pressure on your spine. As you start to feel stronger, you can incorporate exercises that strengthen your core muscles, which are essential for supporting your spine. Some examples include planks, bird dog exercises, and bridges. These exercises not only build strength but also enhance stability and balance. It's also important to include exercises that improve your flexibility, such as stretching or yoga. Flexibility exercises help maintain a good range of motion and prevent stiffness. Before you start any new exercise program, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or physical therapist. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that your exercise plan is safe and effective for your specific condition. By incorporating regular exercise into your routine, you'll be taking a proactive approach to managing your back pain and improving your overall health and well-being. Exercise not only helps with pain management but also boosts your mood and energy levels. So put on your workout gear and get moving. Your back will thank you for it. Remember, every step you take towards a more active lifestyle is a step towards a healthier, pain-free you. When it comes to treating back pain, sometimes it's worth venturing beyond the conventional path and exploring alternative therapies that offer a fresh perspective. One such therapy that's gained popularity is acupuncture. This ancient Chinese practice involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to stimulate energy flow and promote healing. Another alternative therapy worth considering is chiropractic care. Chiropractors use a variety of techniques, including spinal manipulation, to adjust the alignment of your spine and reduce pressure on nerves, which can alleviate pain and improve mobility. If you're looking for a more hands-on approach, massage therapy might be right up your alley. Different types of massage, such as Swedish massage, deep tissue massage, or trigger point therapy, can be effective for different types of back pain. Before trying any alternative therapy, it's crucial to do your research and find a qualified and experienced practitioner. By exploring these alternative avenues, you might just discover a new approach that helps you find lasting relief and reclaim your life from the clutches of back pain. As we've journeyed together through the world of back pain, we've explored its common causes, understanding how lifestyle, posture, and even stress can contribute to this pervasive issue. We've delved into effective treatment options, ranging from traditional methods like physical therapy and medication to more advanced solutions such as medical devices and innovative surgical techniques. And we've even uncovered a groundbreaking method that's offering new hope to sufferers, providing a beacon of light for those who have struggled for years. Now, it's time to shift our focus to the future. A future where back pain no longer holds you back from living your life to the fullest. Imagine waking up each day without the dread of discomfort, ready to embrace activities you love. Remember, back pain is not a life sentence. It's a challenge, yes, but one that can be managed and overcome with the right approach and mindset. While it might feel like an unwelcome companion at times, there are steps you can take to manage it effectively and prevent it from dictating your terms. Simple changes in your daily routine, like using ergonomic furniture and practicing good posture, can make a significant difference. The key is to adopt a proactive approach, empowering yourself with knowledge and taking charge of your health. Educate yourself through reliable sources, attend workshops, and stay informed about the latest advancements in back pain management. From targeted exercises to manual therapy techniques, physical therapists are your allies in the fight against back pain. They can tailor a program specifically for you, addressing your unique needs and helping you regain strength and mobility. And let's not forget the importance of regular exercise. Staying active is crucial for maintaining a healthy back. From low-impact activities like walking and swimming to core-strengthening exercises, these activities not only improve your back health, but also enhance your overall well-being. Incorporating movement into your routine can work wonders for your back health. Flexibility training such as yoga or Pilates can also help in maintaining a pain-free back. The path to a pain-free future might not always be easy, but it's a journey worth taking. Each step forward is a step towards reclaiming your life from the clutches of back pain. Remember, you're not alone in this. With the right support and resources, you can achieve a future free from back pain. We love hearing from you, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts, experiences, or what you'd like to see in future videos. Your feedback is our guiding star. Have you tried any of the methods we discussed? What worked for you? What didn't? Let's start a conversation and support each other on our journeys to better back health. Remember, every step towards better health counts, no matter how small. Stay motivated, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next Monster Health Tip video.